All right, we're taking a look at Market System Analyzer. It's a portfolio tool. I exported the Arena XML format out of TradeStation or out of multi-charts. You can do it either way. You can import it. I've imported all 9 markets that we talked about yesterday. This includes natural gas, RBOB, platinum, crude oil, gold, silver, soybeans, and then E-mini NASDAQ, E-mini S&P. And I've imported all of those into this portfolio analyzer, and you see the total results are 417, 968, 30. Over here on the right, that's the equity high, actually the net profit 413, 673, 30. And then the average trade is 113.27. This is without slippage and commission, but I'm going to show you how you can change the slippage and commission in this tool. So you go to analysis, setup, and I can change the slippage per contract. We'll do 25 to cover round turn slippage and commission. Round turn slippage per contract, we'll go 25. And then you end up getting 322 total net profit and 88.27 average trade profit. Drawdown is 75.99. This is very similar to what we had in multi-charts. And so this is the portfolio view. And so you can see the equity curve and more data. One of the things that you can do in this that you can't do in other tools is do the analysis. You can do dependency rules and position sizing. So you can tell it to see equity curve crossover, stop trading when equity curve crosses over in opposite directions. Moving average, increase position size, decrease position size. And so you've got different other methods for adding contracts. This is not using any of those methods right now. It's just using the basic. You're just using the basic combined reports from TradeStation or multi-charts, and you also have this dependency rule set up. So the dependency rules, you can say, after 3 losses in a row, increase position size by 1 contract. Let's see what happens there. So it doesn't really improve the net profit, but it increases the drawdown. So that's not a good method for this portfolio. What about dependency rules? Let's look at after 2 wins, skip the next 1 trades. See what happens. That doesn't really help. The drawdown's about the same. Net profit's 182. So let's go back to see if we can find one that works. After 2 trades, 2 wins in a row, let's go 3. No, 2. Let's see. After 2 wins in a row, increase position size by 1 contract. Say OK. Well, that boosts the net profit or the final equity. This boosts the final equity, 464, 584. The drawdown goes up by 5,000 though. So the average trade profit is 126.48. I'm not sure if that's including of multiple contracts at times, and so I have to look a little bit deeper into that, but it boosts the net profit a little bit. Let's go back and look at the dependency rules after 3. Let's try it after 3 wins in a row. That doesn't help. That's worse. Let's see, dependency rules. So you can do all kinds of things. So you could have after 2 wins in a row, do that, and then after 2 losses in a row, decrease position size by 1 contract. So let's try that. Oh, so there we go. That works good. It's kind of the opposite. You increase as you have a winner, and so your net profit goes up by 100,000, and your drawdown only goes down by goes up by 600, and so your average trade profit is 140. Some of those trades are inclusive of 2 contracts, and so this is not the average trade per contract, but your maximum number of contracts is 2. And so I like this setup here. So we know that what you would do in this situation is to, after 2 wins in a row, you increase your position size by 1 contract. And then after 2 losses in a row, you decrease position size by 1 contract. To look a little bit further into that to see if it's just for the next trade. But that's interesting. So you increase as you're winning and you decrease as you're losing, which goes with the concept of add to your winners and cut your losers. And so one technique to really boost the profits is using these dependency rules in Market System Analyzer, and we'll be looking at this more. I've just started playing with this tool, so I don't have an expert understanding of the tool yet, but I'm just loading the data in and playing with it right now, and I like the potential for this tool and what we can do with it in our strategies.